I am Dr. Pratyush Kanti Misra. Currently, I am working as consultant anesthesiologist at Apollo Hospital, Rourkela. So, I am here for 3 days. It was a very beautiful, actively participating and having hands-on practice on pain management. Dr. Shovan Rath sir and Dr. Devasis Jena bhai they were very beautiful demonstrators. So after 3 days, I can say that I got very beautiful hands-on practice on pain management skills, starting from upper limb and lower limb and lumbar spine. So multiple active interventions were done inside the OT on patients. We were given adequate number of opportunities to do such skills. So I am really thankful to Shovan sir and Dr. Devasis Jena bhai for giving. Actually, we were 3 participants in this session. So all of us got full opportunities for participating in this course, and rather it was the only scope for the people who are interested in pain practice. So I will definitely encourage for more and more such workshops having lots of hands-on practices. So thank you all for this workshop.